and welcome to Food and Magic. In this video, I'm sharing the recipe of nachos with salsa. I'm making them with an Indian twist, as instead of corn, I'm using the easily available rice flour. Also, I will share the alternative to the ingredients that I have used in this video, so do watch the full video. These nachos are absolutely crispy and are always a favorite snack for get-togethers, which can be prepared a day ahead. So let's get started with the recipe. But before that, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. To prepare the nachos, take a cup of water in a pan. To it add a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder or crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder or puree of 1 onion, about a tablespoon of refined oil, and bring this to a boil. Once the water boils, add a cup of rice flour and mix well till all the flour becomes moist. Once mixed well, turn off the gas, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and the mixture has become lukewarm. I will transfer it to a dish so that I can knead it into a dough. Also, I would like to mention that by using garlic and onion powder, the nachos will taste almost the same ones as we get in the packets. But if you do not have them, then you can use the fresh ones too. The dough is made, it is nice and soft. In the next step, let's roll the dough. I'm going to roll it into portions, as rolling it thin will be very easy. Knead it between your palms to make it even softer and then roll it as thin as you can. Sprinkle little rice flour so that the dough does not stick. Don't be worried if the edges crack, as the edges will be cut. Cut into strips and trim off the edges. Prick with a fork so that these do not puff up in the oil. Now cut them in triangles, big or small, as per your choice. I prefer them of the small size. Also, when you dust rice flour, they do not stick to one another, so that you can cut all the triangles and later on fry them. Let's fry them. The oil should be nice and hot. The flame is kept on medium-high when you put in the nachos. Lower the flame to low-medium once all the nachos are put in, as we want crispy nachos. It will take about 6 to 7 minutes to fry a batch. Keep turning so that the nachos get an even color from all the sides. Also, if your nachos are turning brown or golden, reduce the flame to the lowest setting. It's been 6 to 7 minutes and the color has changed to light golden. Drain the excess oil, and believe me, these taste awesome without the masala too. After this, let's prepare the chatpata masala to coat the nachos. I will transfer these crispy nachos to a bowl and let them cool. Till then, let's prepare the masala. Here I'm taking 2 spoons of cheddar cheese powder, 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder for a good color and mild taste, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid for the tangy taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well together. Adding citric acid or nimbu ka sat is optional. It is added only for the sour taste. Everything is mixed well, and after this, let's quickly make the salsa. I'm taking chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped green chilli, salt, lemon juice, and coriander. Mix everything well, and I will add little red chilli powder for the spiciness. You can add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup too. I'm not adding as I didn't have it. And here our tasty and tangy salsa is ready. Let's add masala to the nachos and mix it well. Can you see how the masala is coated the nachos well? And they are done. They taste just like the store-bought ones. Spicy, crispy and tangy. Once you make them, the kids will just love it. Do try out this recipe and share my video with your friends too. Thank you for watching. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.